Choo-choo, coming down the track. All my animal friends, everybody hop back. Little red engine, puffing soft and slow. Past the yellow flowers, down the lanes we go. Cows by the fence line, waving with their tails. Piggies in the puddles, laughing on the rails. Choo-choo train on the farm, let's ride. All the animals side by side. Move, bah, oink, neigh. We all say, chugga, chugga, chugga all day. Choo-choo train on the farm, don't stop. Round and round to the tippy top. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, shout, hooray. Chugga, chugga, chugga all day. Choo-choo. Chicken flaps her feathers, dancing by the gate. Goat with a goofy grin says, don't be late. Horse gives a wiggle, ready for a run. Doggy wags his tail, this ride's gonna be fun. Who says oink, the big brown cow? Who says bow, I hear you now? Who says oink, the pig so big? Who says neigh, the horse I think? Clap, 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 stomp, stomp, stomp. Everybody aboard, let the fun go. Choo-choo train on the farm, let's ride.